This is how you make one of the best tandoori chicken. Hey salam, I hope you guys are well. Halal Chef is back for another video, and this time I'm making tandoori chicken, specifically tandoori chicken legs. I'm gonna serve it with Arabian style rice, onions, a really nice sauce. Trust me, you're really gonna enjoy it. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. Here I'm using chicken legs. First you want to add deep cuts at the front and the back. Also make sure to clean the chicken properly, you don't remove any excess fat. Adding cuts to the chicken will help you marinate it down to the bone. Alright, so that's looking great. First we're gonna add a good touch of salt onto that. Vinegar. Lemon juice. Vinegar and the lemon is gonna help neutralize any bad aromas that we have in the chicken. So make sure you definitely do this process. Now using your hands, you wanna give this a really good mix. And I'll just leave this aside for at least 30 minutes. And now for the tandoori marinade. It with the natural yogurt, fresh paste of ginger garlic. And now for our spices, we got here black salt, garam masala, coriander powder, cumin, fenugreek powder, black pepper, lemongrass powder, mango powder, Kashmiri red chili, and salt. All go straight in. And now in that we're gonna throw in the oil. I'm using sunflower oil, alright? Now give this a really good mix until everything is beautifully emulsified. Honestly, one of the best tandoori chicken that you guys gonna try. I'm just gonna have a little bit of taste. If you need to adjust the salt, then do it now. Remember there is salt on the chicken as well, alright? So now let's add the chicken into the marinade. Make sure to get rid of any leftover juices. And throw this away, yeah? Now again, using your hand, we're gonna give this a really good mix. We want to marinate this properly. One of the best chicken that you guys gonna try, trust me. Now you can leave this to marinate in the fridge for a minimum of 3 hours or overnight for best results. If you're in a bit of a rush, then just start cooking, it's not a problem. We're gonna serve the tandoori chicken with some of the rice. We go ahead some of the garlic paste, some of the red chili paste, some fresh red chilies, onions. For the spices, we're using here some of the bay leaves, cumin seeds, whole black lime, cardamom powder, salt, red chili flakes, some of the red chili powder as well, white pepper, coriander powder, some of the garam masala. I've also got some of the biryani masala and cassia bark. And here I've got my brown chicken stock that was infused with some of the black peppercorn, some of the herbs. And for the rice, I'm using basmati. These are washed and cleaned. Or grab yourself a pan, heat is on medium with a good touch of oil. Or when the oil is nice and hot, in with the onions and the red chili. We're looking for a nice golden brown color on those onions. Should take you around 4 to 5 minutes. So we got a nice golden brown color on those onions. Now in with your garlic and chili paste. A light touch of water. Now you just want to cook the rawness of that garlic and the chili as well, alright? Deglaze when needed. Don't let anything stick to the pan. Coming up to around 40 seconds or so, now we can throw in our spices. Again, we want to toast those spices. And you want to ensure nothing sticks to the pan again, alright? So you might need to use a light touch of water again. Let's cook this for another minute or so. Very simple to make these rice. They will go amazing with our tandoori chicken. Or now going with our brown chicken stock. Now really good mix to that. And check for the salt. So it's beautifully simmering now. Now we can throw in our rice. Try not to break the rice. Now you want to let this cook until there is some water left. I'm gonna cover it with a cartouche. Like so. Now slowly let the rice absorb all the water. It should take you around 7 to 8 minutes. Alright, so let's check this. We can see there is some water left now. I'm gonna throw in some of this food color on the top. Place a clean kitchen cloth on the top. Place your lid. And now we're gonna let this steam up for around 20 to 25 minutes on low heat. Alright, let's check this. The rice are beautifully steaming now. Just turn off the heat now. Let all the steam escape. I like to add some of the lemon juice or vinegar just to add a bit more freshness into the rice. And some fresh coriander. Beautiful, look at that. Now let's carefully fluff up the rice. Smells really delicious, you know. Have a little taste. Bismillah. So much flavor in them. Our amazing Arabian style rice done. Now you definitely need a bit of the sauce with the tandoori chicken. We're gonna serve it with mint, coriander, pomegranate sauce. Grab your blender with the pomegranate seeds, green chilies, fresh mint leaves, and of course some fresh coriander, juice of fresh lemon, around a tablespoon would do. Some of the cumin powder, cumin seeds were toasted for this. Let's balance everything with some of the sugar, and finally a good pinch of salt in there. We can adjust it later. Some water so we can blend this properly. Let's cover this. Remove that into a bowl. Now in that we're gonna throw in some of the yogurt. A really good mix. Now you can add more or less yogurt, it really depends on you. Have a little taste of the sauce and adjust anything if you need to now. That's perfect. Now let's cook our tandoori chicken. I'm gonna use the air fryer today. Place the chicken upside down on the rack. You can spray with a light touch of foil if needed. Now this goes in a preheated air fryer at around 190 Celsius. And we're gonna let this cook until the internal temperature has reached 75 Celsius. After 20 minutes or so, we're gonna turn it around. Alright, so it's been around 20 minutes. Let's flip the chicken. Looks amazing. If you got any leftover marinade, brush it now. And now you can also spray with a light touch of oil if needed. And now this goes back into the air fryer for another 10 minutes. Always check the internal temperature for best results. Alright, so our tandoori chicken is ready now. Let's check this. It looks amazing, trust me. Alright guys, let's plate this up. First we go in with our tandoori chicken, our delicious Arabian style rice, some of the pickled onions, our amazing mint, coriander and pomegranate sauce, some fresh lemon, and finally garnish with some of the fresh coriander. That looks absolutely mouth-watering. One of the best tandoori chicken that you guys gotta try. Our amazing tandoori chicken with Arabian rice, some of the onions and sauce. Done. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. It looks so mouth-watering. First, of course, we're gonna start with our rice. Bismillah. So nice and fluffy. Wow. Packed with so much flavor. Wow. Add a bit of sauce. The taste is absolutely amazing. Alright, let's try with tandoori chicken now. Without the sauce first. Just look at that. Wow. Honestly, this is so mouth-watering, so delicious. I'm really lost for words. Let's try with some of the sauce now. Look at that. Wow. The sauce adds really nice freshness to this. Like I said before, one of the best tandoori chicken ever. I really hope you guys will enjoy this recipe with your family and friends. Please do me a favor and get this video to 5,000 likes. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, make sure you like, and shall see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy.